Hey, what's good? It's your boy Batting on Minute. Well, I know this isn't my real intro, but I'm trying to do something new. So, yeah. So, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hack Pokemon Go. For this hack, I think it is only for Android. So, what you're going to do is go to Play Store. Go to Fly GPS app. Go to this one and then open it and install it, I guess. Then you just pick where you want to go. So here, there, GPS service run, location, mode, Pokemon Go, and go here, and then it teleports you. Oh yeah, and this is for joystick too. So if you're gonna want a joystick, you could do this hack. So you're gonna want to walk. You're gonna want to walk and it feels like that. Look, like that's how it really works. I'm back full. These are all my Pokemon, and I started Friday. All of them. All of them. There's totally all of them. Just be Johto. I don't know. Go, I got a great curve. Oh yeah, this works. Yeah, if this worked for you, drop a like. Yeah, until next time.